Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Series, coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. This is literally my drive time. You can see it, literally my drive time update, guys. Sorry the van is shaking out there. So, we're seeing fantastic stuff happening for the crypto markets. We're seeing fantastic stuff happening for Dogecoin, and we're seeing even Dogecoin is going up right now. We're seeing Dogecoin is actually pumping right now. It's up over 8%, and we're going to be talking about what is causing the Dogecoin pump, why is it going up, and what the heck is going on out there, because things are just looking fantastic. Things are looking things are looking peachy keen out there. And will this continue? Will this stop? Are we going to have a huge collapse down, or are we going to be continuing to go up? And I believe that if we continue to go up like this, we're going to see a lot of people, Joe Public, Joe Nancy, they're going to start FOMOing in like a crazy out there. And we're going to be talking about that and much more, guys. We're going to be talking about price action, what we can expect, my absolute predictions out there for Dogecoin by the end of the month, where we can see a Bitcoin going as well in the short and long term, guys. So let's jump into it, guys. Absolutely jump into it. So remember, none of this is financial advice. You know it, I know it. Guys, don't forget to go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, YB right now. So overall, we're seeing that the crypto market is the sentiment right now is very positive. I mean, the only people in the crypto world that are not feeling pretty positive and pretty euphoric right now are the ones that were sitting on the sidelines, and they weren't dollar cost averaging a week ago. They weren't dollar cost averaging 2 weeks ago. They weren't dollar cost averaging 3 weeks ago and 4 weeks ago, because over a month, around about 5-6 weeks ago, Bitcoin was like just around $20,000, and we're seeing right now that Bitcoin is about to break past $31,000. We're seeing that Ethereum is strong. We had the Shanghai update, and a lot of people started shorting Ethereum, and because they thought that with the Shanghai update, everyone's going to sell their stake ETH. They didn't. And in fact, if you go back and watch my previous live stream this morning, Bangkok time, that would have been evening in the US. In fact, we saw that more people were buying Ethereum, were absolutely buying Ethereum, and it wasn't this whole, this big sell-off that everyone was talking about. People are spreading all these rumors and FUD out there that, that Ethereum was going to tank. It didn't tank. It went up, kept going up. So that has been pretty good news out there. So, like I said, the sentiment for crypto right now, sentiment for Bitcoin, sentiment for Dogecoin is very positive, and things are blasting off, guys. We're just seeing things just go up. I've never actually seen this before. We've got just under 1 year left before the next halving, and some people are predicting that we could be seeing all-time high before the halving, which is unusual. That's never happened before, but some people are saying it, some people are predicting it, and I have a sneaky feeling that this is going to be amazing, and that we could be reaching all-time highs out there this year, guys. And that would be well in advance of any cycle out there, any before the halving. Excuse me, got my words wrong. Sorry, it's so bumpy out there. I'm in the van, guys. You can take a look at what's going on out there. This is the Vietnamville out there, in case you're wondering what's going on. So what's going on for Dogecoin right now? We're seeing that something amazing is happening for Dogecoin as well. Dogecoin is like up over 8%, and it's up generically. What I mean by generically, we haven't had any kind of direct intervention from Elon Musk out there, and we are seeing that Dogecoin is above 9 cents. So that is pretty cool. That it looks like Dogecoin is holding its own, and it's being fueled by the momentum of where the crypto markets are going. It's being fueled by Bitcoin, and it's just being fueled by the positive sentiment. We're seeing that the total market cap is going up. We're seeing that the volumes are going up. The volumes are well over 500 million, and they're up right now, so that is pretty good. We're seeing that the number of holders in profit for Dogecoin are fantastic. We're seeing that almost 60% of all Dogecoin holders are in the money right now. If we compare what's going on with Shiba Inu, yeah, it's above its 1100 resistance level, but it's not making the same kind of moves as Dogecoin. We're seeing that a lot of people are still behind the Dogecoin community. The Dogecoin community, it's pretty strong, and the Shiba Inu community, they're out there, but I think the Shiba Inu community are getting a little bit, I think a little bit restless out there. They're expecting more. They're expecting more pumps. The pumps bumps never came, and you know, they were expecting more things with the Shiba Inu testnet, the puppy net out there. It didn't really happen. Nothing really happened out there from that perspective. And you know, the latest update is that the metaverse is going to happen at the end of the year. So we're seeing that happening. So, you know, there's really no big news, nothing really much to talk about when it comes to Shiba Inu out there. So overall, Dogecoin is doing pretty good. We're seeing that Cardano is up as well. We're seeing also BNB burned a whole bunch of BNB today as well. So we're seeing that the BNB price is skyrocketing as well. That is up. Amazing news. So overall, the overall fundamentals of crypto are looking very good. All the technicals are pointing for a $40,000 Bitcoin that's going to be happening. And we're seeing that right now. We're seeing that Bitcoin is entering my blue box zone. Go back and watch my other videos. You know that's all about. And that is between about $30,000 to $34,000. And we're seeing that we're in the blue box zone. The blue box zone is around about 30. And if we could blast past $34,000, that's our next resistance. We're going to see easy peasy $40,000 coming in. And we're seeing that, you know, big technical analysts like Trader Tardigrade, Mustache, we're seeing that Novogratz out there are all calling for the same thing. They're all calling for a $40,000 Bitcoin coming in, guys. So that is absolutely amazing. I think we're going to see a $40,000 Bitcoin coming absolutely in sooner than later. And a lot of people are saying, well, is this a fake out? Are we going to be going down? Are we going to be crashing down to the abyss? I don't think so. And I think that one of the things that's causing this, the Bitcoin pump right now, the crypto pump right now, is the fact that, you know, we had all the SVB bank fail out there. We're still seeing that you know, inflation did come down a little bit. But, you know, we're still seeing that people are still skittish. People are still scared out there. And that is why more people are flocking to Bitcoin. And they see that as a safe haven. And as I said, year to date, we're seeing that Bitcoin has outperformed all the other assets out there. It's outperformed gold. It's outperformed the S&P. It's outperformed silver out there. It's outperformed everything. It's outperformed oil out there. It's outperformed everything. So that is what's going on. We're also seeing the 10-year bond. The yield is down as well. It's in negative territory. So that is what's fueling the whole fear of what is going on out there. We all know that you know, Jeremy Powell out there, he's going to be raising interest rates 25 basis points. That is definitely a certainty. That's locked in, and that's not going to help, guys. That's putting more panic, more contagion is happening because of that. So what are my Dogecoin predictions? What are my Dogecoin predictions for the end of the month? Conservatively, I would say 10 cents is coming in. We're already past 9 cents, so I think that's really a no-brainer. You know, on the high side, we could be seeing a high as 15 cents coming in. And don't forget, we got 420 coming. 420, the 20th of April is coming in. I think we're going to see a huge announcement from Elon Musk with regards to that. We've already had eToro. eToro has been added, will be added to the Twitter platform, so that will allow people to have a direct link to eToro to trade cryptos, trade stocks out there. Remember, now this is financial advice. And there's some kind of FUD going. There was a story that came out from CoinDesk, and they were saying that eToro does not have Dogecoin. That's a bold-faced lie. They absolutely do. I have an eToro account, and I'm telling you, there is Dogecoin because I've got a ton of Dogecoin. I've got about $200,000 worth of Dogecoin sitting on eToro right now. So if anyone says that you know, Dogecoin is not an eToro, they absolutely do not know what they're talking about. So, you know, from that perspective, there's FUD. People are spreading FUD out there. So I wouldn't worry about that too much out there, guys. So I think that we're going to be seeing 15 cents coming in for Dogecoin, guys. Absolutely going to be seeing that. I think $40,000 Bitcoin is definitely going to be coming in by the end of, you know, pretty soon. Not the end of this month, that's for sure, but, you know, May we could see $40,000 Bitcoin coming in. Absolutely, that is absolutely there. News-wise, not a lot of big news. You know, a lot of the typical crypto back and forth news. The U.S. markets, so we're seeing the pre-markets are kind of flat and neutral out there. So hopefully we'll have a good day out there. We're seeing DXY is going down as well. So that's not too shabby out there. So this is just a quickie drive time update, guys. You know, I'm in here in Vietnam, guys. Take a look where I am, guys. I'm checking the camera. So that's kind of like Vietnam, right? It's kind of, you know, that's kind of like This is what I'm looking at. This is my view out there. So I just spent the whole day at the hotel, grinding away, grinding. So I'm on the way home, guys. The sun is going down. I'm bringing this content to you guys. So much love out there. Smash the likes, show some love out there, and be well, be blessed. And guys, remember, never invest more than you're willing to lose. Nothing in this video is financial advice. You got to do your own research. You got to do your own risk management. And when you do invest, don't forget that you've got to be willing to lose everything out there. So never invest your rent, never invest your food, never invest anything that's super vital or important out there, guys. That is so freaking critical out there that you do that. And you need to do your own risk management. It's so important that you have your own risk management. You have a plan. The other thing that you have to do is remember, take profits. When you're up 200%, take 50% off the table. When you're up 40%, when we're up 400%, take another 50% off the table, guys. And at the end of the day, that means that everything that's left in there is house money, guys. So that's what that's all about. So I'll see you in the freaking next one, guys. Absolutely, I will see you in the next one. It's a great time to be live, guys. Once again, smash the likes, smash those freaking likes, subscribe, and don't forget, do not forget to subscribe. Absolutely got to subscribe. Check out the merch, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.